So here we are at Santo Domingo, Pueblo. I'm here with Nakota Larance, who is a hoop dancer. And we're going to say today's Navajo word of the day. So today's Navajo word of the day is hoop dancer. To say hoop dancer in Navajo, you say Tsiba, Yee Alzhishí. So we'll do it one word at a time. Tsiba,
Yee Alzhishí.
Yeah, Tsiba, Yee Alzhishí. And that's how you say hoop dancer. And Nakota is probably one of the best hoop dancers that I've ever seen, and he's a really good hoop dancer.
One of the best. One of them.
Well, one of the best that I've seen. So good job, man. And that's today's Navajo word of the day, hoop dancer. Tsiba, Yee Alzhishí, hoop dancer. Have a nice day.